with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen. It's just amazing. But anyway, I got some chicken, you know what I mean, in my fridge, and I said, you know what happened? I decided I want to do something with the chicken for the fans. I know I'm always making curry chicken, stew chicken, but you know what happened? This is what I feel for this evening. Some curry chicken with some dumpling and some boiled banana and probably some plantain, and you know what I mean, something different on the menu. But anyway, we will give you the recipe, you know what I mean, and some of my new fans requested the other day, but I got a lot of recipe on my YouTube channel about curry chicken and about stew chicken. But the reason why I keep putting up all of these chicken recipes, because sometimes my fans might just join the YouTube, just subscribe to my channel, and I say, Chef Ricardo, I need to see a recipe, and I say, you know what happened? Let me just make the next recipe of curry chicken or something. But anyway, we wanna make this curry chicken today, and we're gonna put a twist to it and something totally different, and you know what I mean? You're gonna love it. Honestly, you guys are gonna love this one. Anyway, subscribe, leave your comments, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and also Google Plus. Thank you so much. You can also Snapchat Chef Ricardo at 9. Thank you so much, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna show you how you can make your curry chicken in your kitchen at home. Thank you. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. And stay tuned. Amazing. Anyway, this is Chef Ricardo. We were talking about how we're gonna make you some lovely curry chicken today. Anyway, first thing, you must wash off your chicken. If you buy 1 kilo of chicken or 2 pound of chicken, 1 pound of chicken, 1 ounce of chicken, any kind of chicken, always wash it off with a lime juice or white vinegar. We're gonna marinate up the curry chicken now. First thing what we're going to do is, I got some chopped white onion which I'm going to be using, and I have some spring onion. First of all, let's get some spring onion. I got some spring onion right here. We're gonna put on the natural season first. Alright, 1 spring onion. I have another one right here. Spring onion in Jamaica they call it scallion. That's the spring onion. Alright. I got some fresh thyme. Gonna put some fresh thyme on it. Just a little piece of a fresh thyme, as I can see. That's the fresh thyme right here. I got a few cloves of garlic. This is my garlic right here. I'm gonna be using, this is 3 cloves of garlic. Finally chop them up very quickly. Now hesitate. Put it straight on it like this. 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. You don't have to put those seasonings in it, it's just option. And 1 teaspoon of chicken season. Teaspoon of paprika. I'm using some mild curry powder at the moment, Caribbean curry powder, the mild one. So I'm gonna be using 2 teaspoons of the curry powder and a pinch of coarse pepper. And a vegetable oil or olive oil you can use, roughly 2 teaspoons. One, 2. I might just put on another 2 cloves of garlic because I love my garlic. But I'm just gonna be just crushing them, remove the dry bit. Yeah, nice one. That's the garlic I just put on it a while ago. It's supposed to have a white onion in it. Oh yeah, I find my white onion. All I'm going to do, cut my white onion into half, because I want the guy to know what's going on. and cut it up very finely. Alright? Chuck it straight in it like this. This kind of way when you're gonna marinate the chicken is just if you come from work, like, you know what I mean, some people work 9 to 5, you can marinate the chicken from the day before and get it soaked. Currying up the chicken like this, guys. Old curry chicken, yummy yummy curry chicken, this one. Make sure you got on the gloves. But the natural season gonna make the difference on the curry chicken, honestly. Everyone always know that. So, as you can see, that looking good already, and I'm gonna finish with it. Alright? Nice one. So, what you can do when you marinate up a curry chicken like this is put it down for about a 4 hour, 3 hour and make it soak really good. Alright guys? So, the next 3 hours we're going to cook this. 3 hours time. Nice and lovely. So basically I just take the chicken back from the fridge, and that's the way it look right there. So what we're going to do, we're going to cook it off now and show you how you can make yourself a lovely sexy curry chicken at home. Chef Ricardo, yeah. Alright, this one, I bet you'll never see a recipe like this in your whole entire life. Look at this, guys. Nice one. So right here I have a medium sized pot on the stove. Brilliant, guys. Look at this. This recipe will gonna be Chef Ricardo. My gosh, come on. First thing, let's put a little pinch of oil in the pot and a medium sized heat at the moment. Just a little pinch of oil. Next thing, put 4 cloves of garlic in it. Wrap the oil and the garlic in the pot 2 times. Just like that. The scent alone gonna tell you exactly what Chef Ricardo is gonna make right now. The scent alone from the garlic. Alright, after you do this, then next, get your curry chicken in just marinate. Alright. Wow, that smell nice already, and I don't reach nowhere yet. Alright, cover it and keep stirring it for about 10 minutes. We're gonna keep stirring it until it brings out your own juice and everything. But at the moment, as you can see, I cover it, let it go and sweat. That's what happened in the meantime, guys. Yeah, man. See? Spray your own juice. What we're going to do, I just roll up a little piece of dough right here. Alright? I don't want, sometimes when we call it spinach, the people them always are trying to correct me, so please correct me, please. I'm asking you. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit, some tiny spinach in this one. So all I have to do is just get a little bit of plain flour and roll up the dough. Just put it inside of it like this. Nice! Get a lovely color flavor too on the dumpling. Can do the same thing with the stew chicken. Yeah. And just come out a nice lovely taste from it. Chef Ricardo recipe, man. Why not give it a try? Something new on the menu, innit? Nice one. Then, there's a few spinach in it. Eat a stir. You know, cause once you... Then I have 1 medium-sized carrot. Just cut it up Put it straight tonight like this. One medium sized carrot, potato. That's me a flavor. And give it a stir. Add a little bit of water, not too much, just to make the dumpling them for cook. Just a little bit of water, you know what I mean? Because we know you're gonna spring your own juice. That looking lovely and nice already. You don't even pinch of pepper. And a little bit more of the all-purpose season. As you can see, this looking lovely already. Nice one. So we now put no ketchup in this one. We now put no sweet chili sauce or nothing. If you like to put a little bit of ketchup, you can do that. You know what I mean? But I'm just gonna cook it the real authentic Jamaican way. Let's give it a taste. That's perfect, you know. Let's load up, let that go and cook down for the next 5 to 6 more minutes. So we're gonna see what it looking up. Nice and lovely. Roughly about 12 to 15 minutes now. I have it on a medium size like this. I cook, I make it on a slow cook. See that? Done and dusted. All this need to do is just go right on the plate now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna share it out. I'm making a guy see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, look at that. Beautiful and nice. But as you can see, we got the dumpling, we got the chicken, banana. And only one thing we didn't put on is piece of ripe plantain. We're gonna put that on it still. Alright, over here we have some avocado. Yeah, hear me? Enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel. If you think it's a nice recipe, leave your comments below. It's very important for Chef Ricardo on the team, guys. Stay tuned and continue watch my video. Them beautiful and nice one for you can have it in the evening or after work or on a Saturday or on a Sunday in the time of the week. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and stay tuned and see you next time. Bye bye.